Hi, I'm Jeff, your ProtoPie expert, and I'm super excited to introduce you to our new Masterclass series of tutorials designed to teach you how to make complete experiences in ProtoPie.
We'll be creating a fully featured car dashboard center screen experience. We'll start with building a dual zone climate control with independent adjustments for the driver and the passenger. Next, we'll add in a number of buttons along the bottom of the screen, including seat warmer control and airflow and defogger controls that integrate with our climate control. We'll move on to completing a navigation system that can be panned, zoomed, and rotated and responds to voice commands. Home. We'll build out a radio system built on a mock database. Yes, you heard me right. We'll create a list of radio stations that can be referenced like a database table. We'll also be able to set a list of favorites that are rendered in the order we added them to the list. Next, we'll move on to the phone screen. We'll conveniently ignore modern conveniences like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so I can show you how to build an on-screen keyboard out of reusable components and this killer turbo navigation aid for quickly scrolling through a long list of contacts. On the sound screen, you'll learn how to make a stepped slider for the bass and treble controls and then reapply the same concepts to build out a two-dimensional version we'll use for a combined fader and balance control. Lastly, we'll finish our build by creating a settings screen making use of a combined component that can flip a switch control both by the switch itself and the label. Most importantly, you'll learn how to approach a large build like this and break it down into smaller, more manageable pieces. We'll talk about good strategies for importing your design from Figma, and we'll make heavy use of components to organize your work into easily manageable parts. I'll teach you a few really handy techniques that I use all the time to speed up my workflow, such as making multi-state components with a clever scroll to layer by name technique, and we'll be exploiting a fundamental behavior of ProtoPie to set up default and override interactions that really cut down on the amount of conditions and responses you'll need to use in your triggers to do very complex things.
This course is made up of nearly 8 hours of instruction, and we'll be releasing 1 to 2 hours of lesson content each week over the next few weeks. You'll be able to learn at your own pace, and by the end of this course, you'll have learned everything you need in order to start creating your own complete experiences in ProtoPie. Stay tuned, the first few courses will be released next week. I'm so happy you'll be joining me on this journey to take your ProtoPie skills to new heights. Learn more at ProtoPie School, learn.protopie.io.